Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, I want to tell you about the division for making more equivalent fraction from original fraction. Example, I have 6 over 10 is the original fraction and I want to make more equivalent fraction from this one by division. Look at this. In the last video, you already know about the make more equivalent fraction with multiplication. How about divide or division? You can see now when I want to make more equivalent fraction, I have to make same action in numerator and denominator. In the 6 in numerator, you have to divide by 2. So I can see now 10 also is divisible by 2. So I divide 10 by 2 like this. 6 divided by 2, you got 3. And 10 divided by 2, you got 5. So 6 over 10 will be equal to 3 over 5. So that is the way how can you make equivalent fraction from division. Another example, you got 15 here and you got 20 here. Using division, how can you make more further equivalent fraction? I can see now 15 and 20 also divisible by 5. So I will divide I will make 15 divided by 5 and 20 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, you got 3. 20 divided by 5, you got 4. So you can write down 15 equal to over 20 equal to 3 over 6 over 4 like this. Okay, so how about 60 here and 110? And 60 and 110, so which number appear in your mind? Both numerator and denominator here are divisible by it. You can see you have the unit place is 0. So I will make 60 divided by 10 the same way or the same action with the denominator divided by 10. 60 divided by 10, you got 6. 110 divided by 10, you got 11. So this one is equivalent fraction with this one, but by division. Okay, how about 6 over 9? So which number when you divide? You got 6 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3 here. After that, you got 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay. So that is the one step for finding equivalent fraction from division. How about another question? You can see 60 over 120. The first thing I can see now, we have 0 at the ending of each numerator and denominator. So I can make divide from 60 by 10 and 120 divided by 10 here. And the first you got 6 over 12. But I can see now 6 over 12 also divisible by 3. So I divide by 3 here. Have divide by 3 here. So I'm got 2 over 4. Oh, 2 over 4? Yeah, 2 over 4 also be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 one more time. 4 divided by 2 one more time. And after that, I've got 1 over 2. After 1 over 2 here, I cannot make more simple. I cannot make 1 and 2 also divisible by another number. So I will stop my action in here. And you can see from the original fraction, I have 1 step, 2 step, and 3 step for finding this simple. I call this simple is simplest form of this original fraction. What does it mean simplest form? Simplest form is mean that fraction cannot be more simple. This one is that simplest form. How about this fraction? 50 over 150. You can see 50 can divide by 10. And then I have 150 divided by 10. You got 5 here and you got 15 here. So 5 in numerator, 15 in denominator. I can see that both of them are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. And then I've got 1 here and I got 3 here. Yeah, that's it. About 20 over 80. This one cannot be simplified more. So this one I call that simplest form. 1 over 2 is simplest form. I cannot make more simple or make more smaller fraction. 20 over 80 here. So 20 can divide by 2. Yeah, first number I will choose 2. After that, I've got 10 here. And then I've got 40 here. After that, I make 10 can divide by 10. and I got 40 divided by 10, and then I'm got 1 over 4. How about this fraction? I cannot make more simple, so 1 over 4 is the simplest form of this fraction. Okay, we call this one is simplest form. Yeah, that is the way how can you simple fraction, or you can make more equivalent fraction from division. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you can understand more about equivalent fraction. Until now, we have two ways for make more equivalent fraction. First, multiplication. Second, division. Yes, see you next time. Bye bye.